What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Native Crown Family, and I'm Zaria, and I'm back with another Mom Time. Okay, let's get right into the video. Today we're just going to do another cleaning video. This one is going to be longer. This one's going to be a whole house clean. So it's going to take a long time. My house is not necessarily dirty, but it is need a lot of tightening up. So let's get into the video. Here we go.
Reminiscing on the black life, credit cards and low tolerance. Drop a designer bag and sisters buying all of them. No gravity, that's why they call it the come up. Cause every time your check goes
What we do here is go back.
Alright guys, so that's it for today. I'm going to show you a quick after of how my house looks after it's been cleaned and nice and smells good. So I'm going to show you a quick after piece, but after this, That'll be it for the video. So here we go. Alright guys, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you like this cleaning video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Mom Time. If you like Mom Time, subscribe to us, Native Crown Family. Also, check us out on our social media groups, our Instagram, our Facebook. Check us out on there and follow us. But that's all we got for today. Hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more cleaning videos, longer ones like this one, like this video. Okay. Like this video, and I'll be sure to go ahead and do more cleaning videos. But that's it. Hope you guys enjoy this. Peace. Alright guys, so that's all I got for you today. This is it, the end of the video. But you can always come back. We upload every Sunday on Native Crown Family. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button to tell me you like more. If you want to join the fam, go ahead and subscribe. Come and join. I mean, like, we have a great group over here. Good vibes. Now it's I try to do this video a little bit longer than before because I know my other ones are pretty short, but go ahead and hit us up on our Instagram, on our Facebook, okay? Go ahead and follow us. We also post pictures of us doing daily stuff like that. So if you are interested in that, go ahead and look in the description down below. And then that's it. So all I got to say now is like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
I can't explain my feelings right now. And the questions I ask, there's no rhyme or reason how.